Welcome to another Nature Talk. Today we have a special project going on. If you look around this room, we have people that are putting labels on packets. We have people that are filling packets, and we're going to learn what it's all about. Sarah, you want to explain what we're doing here?
Yeah, so what we have are seed envelopes, and we're putting prairie seed in them. And the idea is that these are native plants that will attract native insects and then songbirds as well. And so this is good for our soil and water. The deep roots on these plants go down as far as 15 feet. So that helps with water infiltration and slowing down the water before it hits our rivers. And so with these particular packets though, they would fill a space half the size of this room. People can spread it out and then have these in their backyards. So it's a backyard prairie that we're distributing as part of the Soil and Water Conservation District.
Okay, there you go. This is the Bremer County Soil and Water Conservation District that's doing that.
Yeah.
And how do people get the packets?
They'll be at the office at the NRCS desk at the USDA building that's near Hy-Vee in Waverly. So people can get packets that way.
Okay, very good. So for this Nature Talk, it's packing prairie seed packets, and if you've got places to put some of them, by all means stop by and grab a packet or two.